If you're considering the ZKB Mastercard Classic, here's an in-depth look at what this card offers and how it could benefit your financial needs. The ZKB Mastercard Classic, offered by Zürcher Kantonalbank, ZKB, is a popular choice for Swiss residents looking for a basic yet reliable credit card. This review will cover everything you need to know about this card, from its core features to the potential costs and rewards. Starting with the basics, the ZKB Mastercard Classic has an annual fee, making it a low-cost option compared to premium cards. This fee allows access to standard credit card benefits and secure online shopping features, as well as global acceptance due to the Mastercard network. The card includes contactless payment functionality, a standard feature that enables quick and convenient payments without entering a PIN for small purchases. For those concerned with security, the ZKB Mastercard Classic offers SMS notifications and secure online payment options through Mastercard Secure Code, adding an extra layer of protection for digital transactions. Users also benefit from a straightforward online account management portal where they can easily track spending, pay bills, and set up alerts for due dates and spending limits, making it a great choice for those who value easy management and control over their finances. An important aspect to consider is the card's foreign transaction fee, which applies when you use it abroad. This can add up if you frequently travel or make international purchases. However, within Switzerland, it's a practical choice with fair costs. The ZKB Mastercard Classic does not offer a complex reward structure, which makes it ideal for those who prefer simplicity over extensive point systems or rewards programs. Nonetheless, certain offers and discounts are available through the Mastercard network, allowing cardholders to enjoy small perks at select retailers. In terms of downsides, the ZKB Mastercard Classic lacks premium perks like airport lounge access, travel insurance, or cashback rewards, which may be deal breakers for users seeking more than just basic credit functions. However, this simplicity appeals to customers looking for a dependable, no-frills card. The ZKB Mastercard Classic is a good fit for individuals who are new to credit cards or need a secondary card for domestic use, providing essential features at a reasonable cost without overwhelming complexity. This card is all about meeting basic credit needs reliably and affordably, making it one of the better choices in Switzerland for straightforward, dependable financial support. If this review helped you understand the ZKB Mastercard Classic better, subscribe to stay informed on more straightforward reviews. Don't forget to like this video.